Hey everyone, this is Julissa Scotto from Julissa's Book Garden, and today I'm going to share a very special box full of books. So let me see if I can show you the box. It looks like this, kind of heavy, but so exciting to see what's inside, and I want to share it with you. So let me open and let's see. Okay. So this is a touchy-feely sounds. It's called Don't Tickle the Unicorn. And it has sounds, but the good news for parents is that it has a little switch on the back that you can turn on or off so you don't have to be hearing the sounds all day long. And it says, don't tickle the unicorn. You might make it neigh. Do you hear that? Let me do it again. Don't tickle the unicorn. You might make it neigh. So fun. So we have other books like this. Don't tickle the hippo, don't tickle the tiger and other animals. But every time you touch the tummies, you're gonna hear a sound because you're tickling them. So this is really, really fun for children. Let's see what else we have. Oh, I love this series. This is That's Not My series. We have so many books. Trains, dinosaurs, all kinds of animals, dogs, penguins, and That's Not My Narwhal. It's Tommy, it's too squishy, and you can touch it right here. It is a touchy-feely book too, and I love it. It has round corners. It's great for babies and toddlers and preschoolers. And what I love about this book is that the text is repetitive and predictable, and it is a sensory book, and there's a little white mouse on each page that the child gets to spot. So it's so fun. And this is a new title from this season as well. Oop, I didn't turn it off. There we go. See, when I turn it off and I touch it, you don't hear it. So these two are new titles from the season. So yay! Let's see what else we have. This is so exciting. We have the Never Get Bored book. This is a very fun book for your children, and not so young children too, for middle school, maybe junior high age, and even young adults. It has a lot of projects. Let me see if I can show you the table of contents right here. So many activities that you can do. Let me try to hold it like this. Maybe you can see it. And let me just read you a few ones. It has activities to test your senses, to stretch your brain, master photo tricks, solve mysteries, dress to impress, watch birds, cut a silhouette, what else? Fold a boat, fly a kite, make models, turn shapes into pictures, build master spycraft, crunch numbers, spot differences. Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna flip. Maybe you can see a little bit if I flip it like that. So much tips and ideas to never be bored and do lots of activities and learn at the same time. So much fun. And this one is available in Spanish too, so it's a great book. Let's see what is. Oh my goodness, if you love Jonathan James and the What If Monster, look at this. What if I know my feelings? This is a book for young children to help them identify feelings. And I think, yeah, it even tells you like what you can do when you're feeling a certain way. So look at this beautiful picture. I love the What If Monster. So it says, you feel your feelings every day. What if we learn about them today? And you can see all the words right here. So you see happy and sad and grateful and angry. Oh my goodness, so good. So for example, it says, what if I feel brave? I can try something new. But what if I feel scared? I can ask for help. So you, the child can learn to identify the feeling or the emotion by the word and by the gesture. Sorry for my lighting. On the face of the What If Monster, but it also on the bottom tells you what you can do when you're feeling those feelings. And I think, if I'm not wrong, at the end, yeah, you can see all of them. So fun. Okay, let's see what next, because there's a lot. This is a very special box. How can I be kind? This is the Lift the Flop first questions and answers. How can I be kind? The topic is amazing, and Lift the Flop books are so cool. They're so interactive, and children learn a lot, by physically flipping the flops and looking at the pictures and reading the information. So let me show you what I mean by this. You go like this, and there's more info. So it says, how can I be kind to others? By being friendly and thoughtful, listening, smiling, comforting friends, saying nice things, and doing helpful jobs. So it gives you a lot of ideas and information. Can I be kind to myself? Of course, this is so important. I love it. I love it. How can I be kind to nature and to the planet? Oh my goodness, this is so cool. What else? Be brave. Look at this one. And this one is an activity book for young people who sometimes feel scared or afraid. And it is written by a child and family psychotherapist. It has so much activities to do to identify feelings, what makes you scared, what you can do about it. So good. I think this is great for children and teenagers too. It's so awesome. Even young adults, like I will do this book. It's awesome. And then, oh my goodness, I think this is one of the new titles for this season too. This is called Doing Your Best. And let me read a little bit. Have you ever wondered what it means to do your best? This book will help you to do your best by giving you the everyday words you need to follow your dreams. So just to show you a little bit, his practice, teamwork, positive, doing your best. We're just taking just a peek inside. Let me see what else. This is so much fun. Okay, and this is The Tale of the Valiant Ninja Frog. So this is just a book about, I think, a family who are camping, and then the dad starts to tell the children a story that is full of suspense and villains and heroes. Oh, let me put it on the back because I'm running out of room. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. This is the Animal Magic Painting book. If you don't know about our magic painting books, you are going to fall in love with this. We have so many topics. This is about animals, but we have so many other topics that you can do. So what is so fun about this is that it is a painting book. Look at the pages, but you do not need paint. You just use this brush that it comes with the book right here and a little bit of water, and you just start painting, and the colors start to come up magically. It's so much fun. It is mess-free, mamas and teachers and daddies. So look at, I'm going to show you some more pictures right here. Let me see. Look at this one, the hippos. Oh, there we go. And then at the back of the book, just so you know, there's a big flap, and this flap is so useful. So when you choose a picture, let's say I'm gonna paint the hippos. So I'm gonna paint the hippos. I'm gonna put the big flap under the hippo's page, so the water or the colors that does not go through on the back. So, and you can also, tear it up and do it separately. But this flap is so helpful. We have a lot of titles, and we even have for even younger, like 2-3-year-old ones. So fun. I love magic painting books. Let's see what else. Mind Your Manners hardcover book. It says, it's okay to enjoy roaring loudly. We all deserve some time to play. But all lions should practice those soft growls for the quiet times of the day. Welcome to the jungle. It's full of misbehaving animals, from messy monkeys to grumpy grizzly bears. Now it's time for them to learn how good manners make the world go round. So if you want to address the topic, oh, look at this, how beautiful, of manners with your children or your students or your grandchildren, this might be a great book for you, or to give to a loved one. So you can see like the big roar, and then they talk about the manners they can use instead. Beautiful. Let me see if I have some space right here. I'm running out of space. And then we have the next ones that I'm going to show you are mini books. The ones I show you first are full-size books. Now they're going to be mini books, okay? Let me try to close this. There we go. So that's a job I like animals. What jobs are there? And we have a series of this from different topics that, for example, if you like animals, it tells you about different career paths that you can follow. This is so cool. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit inside so you can have a peek inside. It has an introduction, and it is an example right here, stable manager. It has a large animal bed career. It has a pet adoption counselor. Oh, there we go. And what else? What else? A pet portrait artist and a pet photographer. How cool is that? There you go. So if you have an animal lover that might be thinking about doing a career with animals when they grow up, this might be a great option. And this is the mini book, right? Okay, more. Let's see. This is World of Wisdom postcards, and these are actual postcards that you can color and can send to your friends or to your loved ones. And I think they have like quotes from around the world, from famous people, but this is so cool. So this one comes in this special box too. I'm running out of place. Let's see. Comparison Big and Small, How the World Measures Up. This is a mini book too, and it says our world is packed with amazing things. It's full of planes and trains, plants and trees, high skies and deep seas, giraffes and polar bears, and billions of people everywhere. Open this book and you'll discover how all these things compare to each other. So if you're talking to your children or students about size, measurement, or just comparison, this is going to be a great book. Remember, this is the mini version. Big, tall, long, deepest divers. It has spacey stuff. Everything about space and how they compare in size. Of course, dinos. What else? Changing seasons. High jumpers. Mighty machines. Oh my goodness. Tiny creatures. So this is a fun one too if you want to address the topic. Oh my goodness. This is one of my favorite picture books, you guys. This is the mini version, the big one. I know we have it. I don't know where it is right now. It's much bigger. This is called Can I Join Your Club by John Kelly and Steph Latveris. It is a K. Miller book, and this is all about inclusion. It is so much fun. It is about a duck who wants to join a club. So he asks, the elephant, the lion, but he can't roar like a lion or quack like a dog. So he is rejected. But at the end, something amazing happens, and it is all about inclusion. So I highly recommend this book. I'm so excited. This is a mini version. So cute. What else? Football All-Star, Celebrating Greatness on the Field. So if you have sport lovers, this is a mini book about sports. This is football. And I think this book has, it has information. It has personal data in career history and career highlights of the players. So if someone likes sport or especially football, this mini book is included in this box. And I think, let me see if, at the end it has the player positions and a glossary. And this right here, I need to learn the players positions. I don't know much about football, so this is going to be very helpful for me. Yay. What else? This is our Usborne First Experiences Going to School. Again, it's just a mini book. And this one is all about going to school. So let me just go like this. Maybe you can see it a little big inside. It's just the family getting ready to go to school and what happens once you're in school. So if you have a child who is learning or who is new to school or first time or has a hard time going to the dentist or things like that, we have a lot of books on this series, First Experiences. And then we have My Year of Writing, Be Creative Every Day, 55 Creative Writing Activities. And this is the mini book. We have the regular size too. So it says, capture your creativity with the super fun journals. Make up your own motto, describe a submarine voyage, invent a wacky new ice cream flavor, pen a short story about your socks, rewrite an old tale, plus many more activities to get your thinking and writing. what are you waiting for? It's time to write your own story. So this is just a mini version so you can take a peek. Let me show you some of the spaces you have to think and explore and write. This looks so much fun. And if you have a child who loves writing, who loves storytelling, making scripts, maybe this is going to be a great option for them. And even if you have someone who, writing is not their favorite thing to do, maybe doing something like this is going to be interesting and appealing to them. So fun, fun, fun. My year of writing. Oh, I'm running out of space. And then we have a learning block. We have some of this for the timetables, for states and capitals, and this one just happens to be a key to product knowledge. And the way it works is you have this string, and you're gonna be, you have like, I guess the question, or let's say capitals, states and capitals, the states will be right here, and the capitals right here, and you need to match the correct one. So you go like this. And this is a very fun and interactive way to learn timetables or state and capitals. And then on the back, it has some bumpy lines that you can, double check to see if you did it right. So good learning. And then this special box that I show you also includes 5 mini catalogs, and these are the new catalogs for this season from July to December 2020. So it includes 5 of the mini catalogs. Let me show you really fast, just a peek like this. This is what comes inside the mini catalog, because we have about 2,000 titles, and we have like over 100 titles, I think, in Spanish. So this is just a mini version of the books that we have, and it also includes the full catalog. Look at this gorgeous front page. There we go. And then the back. So everything I show you in this special pretty box right here comes in this box. There might be a slight variation if a book goes out of stock, of course, but this is one of the consultant kits. So when you join Usborne Books and More, you get to pick between 2 kits, and this is the one I chose. There's a mini one, and there's this one. So everything I show you is included right here, and there's a mini one too. It is so awesome. So if you're ever thinking about joining right now, that's what you get if you choose the same kit. And also, if you saw books that you want and you want them for free, you can host an online event and we could get you free books. And right now, to the end of July and August only, you get double free books. I can offer you that very huge, amazing special of double free books. And if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you like what you saw. I am in love and I'm so excited, and I send blessings your way. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time. Bye.